Randy, hey, entry point here off the garage, and if we can have a pallet delivered, maybe you can scooch up in there so that we actually come up these steps. And through this little point, we'll have to kind of come this way and turn around. Thank you. And up here. And this is going to be difficult because we got a little area here is 1/2 inch application and some funky walls and funky corners. I want you to, you know, here going up. Yeah, I know it's a bit of a mess, but we'll go through it piece by piece. Roughly what we've got in front of us is a 30-foot room. Okay, and all of these joists are going to have a piece of insulation on it measuring 1/2 inch.
1 inch.
Sorry, 1 inch. Thank you. And we'll screw to that through the insulation into the framing and all the way down. This floor measures 5 foot. The second 5-foot run to the ceiling, 4 foot across the top, and 5 and 5 to the floor, 30-foot long. And let's start with the easy part, is wrapping the end with sheetrock, 1/2 inch. And I'm going to discuss with our homeowner about our device up here. It looks like a heater.
It's a ductless mini split.
Ductless mini split, believe it or not. And there's a gap here, so maybe it can scooch up in there so that
It said left a gap for the sheetrock.
we have a gap for the sheetrock. All right. Anyhow, and we all know what knee walls look like, but what we really have to be careful of, and we're going to bring a couple of 20 dozen too, of course, these corners. And you see that guy there going 3 rear directions, that front wall, and then this little piece here up to the ceiling. We will wrap this 2x4 edge here in sheetrock, and we will do, well, let's just use the word complete going up to the top. And notice that we've got, let's see, yeah, that's closer. We put drywall here to touch.
And it's an inch insulation.
Yeah, the LVL, well, you know, the inch of drywall, insulation, and the drywall goes on the insulation, but we don't wrap the LVL. The homeowners don't want that wrapped, so then it looks like the drywall will pick up here, but you know, there's questions to be answered, because I don't think they're going to want to terminate naked wall and then drywall start. But you know, like I said, we will probably be in discussion about drywall starting at the bottom of the LVL to cover framing, the LVL exposed, and drywall stopping here, because drywall doesn't leave a pretty edge. And then with this, it's going to stop to there. This piece coming down to here, so, and another piece coming into here. So there are questions about the application, but you can see issues up top in that corner. And I've got the measurements for all this stuff on the video. But this is challenging. We're going to have to be framing a little bit. Turn the corner, wrap it up, down, around. I know you can't see this. There we go, to the bottom. Okay, and this little closet's the easy part because it's square. It's just a box. And we got the ceiling. What's that? About a 3 foot and a 5 foot and a 3 foot wall, and wrap it here. We've got the little bathroom in here that he's going to put the floor down, and we're going to sheetrock this. And this looks easy too. We might have to put a 2x4 here and there. And our sheetrock is going to stop here because there's going to be a metal door go in this opening. I guess that's 36. That's a big door.
It's a 36. Yeah.
That's a big door. That's a shallow door.
Yeah, it's not studded. It's not framed out all the way, I don't think.
Okay. A great example of our challenges is, look at this guy right here. And our homeowner and I have been chatting about what can we do about it, because it looks like it's on a column. It's holding up the house, because you can see everything on top of it. These two LVLs is bearing down on this opening, most of it on this other side. but some of it is going to be carried over here. So if you run a piece of sheetrock on this face here, there's my hand, coming out. You know, sheetrock doesn't curve. There we go. I got an assistant today, but anyhow, there we go. And this has been the suggestion of can we clip that off, and if we can, should we clip that off? And anyhow, but running this corner. But wanted to share this project with you, and we may come back over here and look a whole lot more closer, but I think we've got enough information to start running some numbers for our homeowner. And we've got a couple of drywall repairs downstairs. It's really nothing compared to this thing up here. Thank you.